Oh my God, there's no way. It can't be.
Let me see your identification.
You're in my house.
We don't need to see his identification.
How'd you get in here? Oh, wait, Vader gave you the key, right?
Yes.
Ugh. I don't want to deal with you. You bought some nice stuff, though. Alright, you know the deal. I'll build you a computer. You gotta give me a couple days.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way, dude. I got a job. You know, things to do, family, you know, all that stuff. Things that you know nothing about. Yeah, so give me a little bit, maybe a week.
So be it.
Alright, and then we gotta throw some sneakers in there because, once again, like Vader, your footwear is terrible, and you know the deal with the channel, so sneakers it will be. I'll pick something good out for you.
Good.
Alright, get out of my house. You're so irritating. Just get out, dude. Well, that didn't work out. Welcome, everybody. The Emperor's getting a computer, and I got him a pair of sneakers. Stay tuned. God, he's here already. Should have been an hour later. All right, whatever. Ready? So what do you think?
Good.
You know, that laugh, well, and basically everything else that you do is so irritating, right?
Yes, I know.
So, as you can see, I built you a monster 4K gaming computer and a pair of suede panda dunks.
Yes.
Okay, so we're done. Beat it.
Your work here is finished, my friend.
Yeah, we're not friends. You're a creep, and no more pop-ins, okay?
So be it.
Yeah, get out. Hey everybody, hope you liked our little video. We tried to have some fun as always. This one came out really good. Love the new screen in there. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.